Elon Musk just sent Pepe soaring, and you need to see why. So if you have any interest in Pepe or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe?
In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price boosting information that has just come out about Pepecoin and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news.
Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 10th of April, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 670 units. With 5 zeros, Pepe's price is up 5% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $958 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $2.8 billion, ranking it as the 41st most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. And this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Bitcoin rockets above $81,000 on tariff pause. Technical analysis. Eyes $100,000 target amid Binance inflows. Bitcoin has surged above $81,000, registering a substantial 7% gain over the past 24 hours. As investors respond positively to US President Donald Trump's decision to pause tariffs on all countries except China. This development has reinvigorated market sentiment and brought the coveted $100,000 price target back into focus for cryptocurrency analysts. Trump's tariff pause propels crypto markets. Following Trump's announcement of a 90-day halt on reciprocal tariffs for non-retaliating nations, Bitcoin saw an amazing 9% comeback on April 9th. Reversing most of Bitcoin's losses from earlier in the week, the action drove the coin to revisit the $83,000 mark, a price last reached on April 6th. Although the US stock market reacted with an 8% increase on the S&P 500, measures of Bitcoin derivatives indicate traders still exercise caution. Market mood is still influenced by uncertainty around US long-term government bonds. Investors especially worry about the 10-year Treasury yield volatility. Exchange inflows signal market uncertainty. Over the previous 2 weeks, Bitcoin inflows to cryptocurrency exchange Binance have skyrocketed. The platform's Bitcoin reserve rose by 22,106 Bitcoin over a 12-day period, totaling 590,874 Bitcoin. Referring to the US Consumer Price Index figures set for publication on April 10th, crypto quant contributor Martin Regterschott links this increase to macro uncertainty and the upcoming CPI announcement. Although historically increased exchange flows indicate possible selling pressure, not all experts view this as unfavorable. SwiftX chief analyst Pav Hundal advised, "This is a very volatile market. Binance is probably moving assets into hot wallets to satisfy strong demand." De-risking sets. Stage for Bitcoin. Price recovery. Data from CryptoQuant shows that following several weeks of correction, the futures market for Bitcoin seems to be cooling down. Since peaking in early 2025, the Bitcoin futures leverage ratio with regard to open interest has dropped by half, suggesting notable deleveraging resulting from large liquidations. The extent of the current deleveraging event is shown by the 28% reduction in open interest of Bitcoin from $71.8 billion on December 18th to $51.8 billion on April 8th. Although this can generate temporary volatility, it sets Bitcoin in a better long-term stable state. Co-founder of 21st Capital Sina feels that Bitcoin is getting significantly de-risked here, implying that 75 to 80% of its decline from $109,000 to $74,500 may already be over. In 6 to 8 week corrective periods, historically, prices have dropped by as much as 34%. From its all-time high, Bitcoin currently has lost 31%. In absence of a recession, $70,000 is my worst-case scenario. Although the economic background is still negative and more sell-off is likely, "We believe Bitcoin is significantly undervalued for a long-term investor." Sina said, "If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepecoin news. Pepe on verge of erasing 1-0 as bulls re-enter market. Pepe has faced price fluctuations in the last 7 days. The meme coin plunged to a low of 584.4 units within this time frame as it experienced volatility. However, Pepe prices have picked up as prices have skyrocketed. Pepe rally, fueled by shift in market momentum. Per CoinMarketCap data, Pepe has soared by a significant 9% to trade at 677.2 units in the last 24 hours. Pepe's movement is signaling recovery for the frog-themed meme coin as the global digital asset capitalization climbed by 5.65% after a 90-day pause on the implementation of US trade tariffs. After being in consolidation for so long, the Pepe explosion could lead to a sustained positive performance as bulls re-enter the market. The meme coin might surge further to new levels and erase 1-0 off its price. As of press time, trading volume has also jumped by 4.93% to $918.3 million. A more significant double-digit spike in trading volume could help Pepe achieve its goal of knocking off a 0 from its price metric. The token is currently testing a critical resistance zone, and an increase in trading volume, which signals renewed interest from market participants, is a key factor to watch. This might serve as a vital catalyst to pushing the meme coin past the 900 units resistance in a push to erase a 0. Pepe's key resistance and support levels. Interestingly, there is room for more activity, as Pepe's relative strength index is at 40.91. This shows that the meme coin has bounced off from oversold territory. Meanwhile, analysis of the technical indicators reveals that Pepe could face a short-term resistance at 760 units. The token's ability to soar past this level largely depends on its ecosystem support amid a dearth of utility. If Pepe gets enough of a push from the bulls, it could eventually erase 1-0. However, a pullback could see Pepe crash to 532 units, a more stable support level for the meme coin. Such a development would see Pepe give up all its gains should its price plummet again. Pepe's latest whale sale and its impact. Just recently, blockchain-based transaction tracker LookinChain revealed that a crypto whale sold 723.67 billion Pepe tokens for 4.63 million DI. Despite these sell-offs, however, the meme coin's price remained stable and gained by 2.25% to the upside. Meanwhile, the sell-off attracted significant attention from crypto enthusiasts and may have the potential to trigger selling pressure. Pepecoin highlights a significant rally spurred by a tweet from Elon Musk. According to reports, Musk's tweet on April 9, 2025, featuring an image of Pepe the Frog dressed as an American superhero, coincided with a broader market uplift following President Donald Trump's announcement of a 90-day pause on retaliatory tariffs. In summary, the key news revolves around Pepe's 15% price surge driven by Musk's tweet, and a favorable market response to Trump's tariff pause, positioning it as a standout in the meme coin rally over the last 24 hours. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1,000 times potential altcoins.